This is our knife block dude. Simple project. This is not an original idea, but we're going to make a knife holder block. Using a dude here, we'll do a shield on this side for the knives to go through. This was just freehand sketched on Inkscape, just using the pencil tool. Once that was drawn, we played around with the nodes a little bit, cleaned it up a little bit, and then put these tabs in. Then what we'll do is we'll put a block underneath of here, and this will be our guy. Once this was done, we saved this as an SVG and opened it up in Jscut. Great free program. Here's our image that we created. Look around the back, see the tabs. And the next thing is to save this G-code and open it up in Mach. We've got our shield here with our knife slits as well as our tabs. So we'll save this as an SVG and open it up in Jscut. So we've got this open in Jscut. We'll do our normal set of operations for this. Change our speed to about 60. Our pass depth, I like 0.0625. We'll leave these the same. Click on our shield. Go to create operation. We're going to change this to an inside cut because these holes are so small. 0.79, this is about 3/4 of an inch, so we'll give it a little extra space. Go to generate, cut our lines. Now we'll do our tabs. Tabs are very important. About 0.5, then create those. See what this looks like. And there we go. So this will cut this out. This will be an extra little flange. I'm not going to put tabs in here because this is so small. It should just pretty much grind it up. And that's our shield. See how long this takes. This will take 705 seconds, pretty quick. And we'll save our G-code. We have our knife dude, the G-code all set up in Mach. There's our little guy. Got the board set inside the booth. And we're lined up at the very corner. So let's go ahead and lock this up and let it go. Spindle on. So our cutter is turning. And we'll go ahead and start. With this small CNC, I like to use every bit of real estate I can, so those lines are real tight down on the bottom. After a while, you get used to where the settings are. Here's our dude all cut out after a quick vacuum. So let's take this off the CNC bed and cut those tabs out. There's our guy cut out. Still need to clean up those tabs. So our shield will go over here and the knives will go in all around that. And cutting the slits for the knives, I went back in and changed these from inside cuts to pockets. It's a much cleaner cleaner cut for the knives. And instead of it being a shallow pocket, the pocket was just made deep enough to go through the bottom of the wood. There's the shield after a quick vacuum. So let's get this off and clean it up a little bit. And there's the base. You can tell these little 3040 CNCs, as relatively inexpensive as they are, have pretty tight tolerances. Because we've got a wafer-thin piece here that's really consistent. Of course, we did cut through that knot, but that might look kind of cool when it's all sanded up. The 3 pieces before finishing and glue up. A real fast gluing technique. Don't underestimate rubber bands. Then I like some extra screws as well. First coat of brown paint. And that's the knife block guy. Kind of a cool little project, very easy to do. 3 pieces, our base, our dude, and then our shield. Came together really easily. Fun little project. Thanks very much for taking a look.